A very fine good morning to all of you. Hope you all are
good morning to
fine.
all. Hope
Today
you
we
all
are going to
fit and
learn
fine.
multiplication
Today we are
table
going
of
to do
13
a
with
wonderful
this
topic
beautiful
that is
activity.
symmetry.
Okay बेटा,
So let's
आज
start.
हम learn करेंगे
Revati went
किसकी
to a
table?
park with her pet dog Bruno. While playing with Bruno in the park, she saw that there was a symmetry in the leaves of the tree. She also found symmetry in the swings and flowers in the park. After dropping Bruno at home, she tried to find other things that can have a symmetry. Okay, Revati went to a park with her pet dog Bruno. She found the symmetry in the park. She noticed the symmetry in the leaves, flowers, swing. And after coming back at the home, she again tried to find other things that can have a symmetry. Like this LED screen, pot, scissor. Is it clear? Now, a dotted line divides each figure into two equal parts. This part, this part. If you fold the figures along the dotted line, the two parts will exactly fit on each other. Such figures are symmetrical figures. Is it clear? Sure? Now see everybody, this shape I have drawn a line of symmetry, horizontal line of symmetry. Okay? Now see, when I fold, just one half is fixed over the other. It fixed over the other. Is it clear? So this figure is called symmetrical figure. Now I just again draw a line of symmetry, that is vertical line of symmetry, and try to fold it along with this line. Now see, one half fit over the other half. Why? Because both the halves are identical. Same thing, that's why they fit over each other. So this figure is called symmetrical figure, and the dotted line is called line of symmetry. Some figures cannot be divided into two equal parts. These figures are called asymmetrical figures. Is it clear? Sure? And you know, some figures have more than one line of symmetry. I have show you this one. It has more than one line of symmetry. 1 and 2. It's clear? Square has 4 line of symmetry. It's all the sides are equal. You know about octagon? It has 8 lines. So all the lines are equal. So it has 8 line of symmetry. Circle has a many line of symmetry. A rectangle has 2 lines of symmetry because its opposite sides are equal. Square has 4 lines of symmetry. Its all sides are equal. Pentagon has 5 lines of symmetry. Hexagon has 6 lines of symmetry. I have told you about this now. Polygons. Heptagon has 7 lines of symmetry because all 7 sides are same, all 6 sides are same, all 5 sides are same, are of equal length. Okay, now come to the mirror half. Observe your reflection in a mirror. Your image look exactly the same, except that, most important, your left is on the right and right side is on the left. Have you observed? Very good. Suppose we draw an image. Now we have to find the mirror image. This is the mirror. Okay. Now see. This is the mirror and I have drawn this now. It's right, left. When its mirror image is formed, then this side will come at here. And this left will become right, and this right become left. Is it clear? Sure. So this is the mirror image. Now practice time 3. Which among the following figures are symmetrical? You have to do it yourself. Okay? I am going to tell only one part. Let's see E part. It has a horizontal line of symmetry. Upper and lower parts are same. Is it clear? Identical. Sure, beta? So, this is the symmetrical figure. Only one line of symmetry is there, that is horizontal. Okay? Sure? Now draw the line of symmetry in the following figures. You have to draw it yourself. In the third part, draw the mirror image. In the mirror image, left side appear right, right side appear left. You have to just complete this. Okay? Now you have to do it yourself. My practice time 3. If you face any problem, we are going to discuss your problem in our Zoom class. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.